Welcome to students. Today we are going to discuss about the chemical composition of the plasma membrane. So last time we studied about the lipids, now proteins and carbohydrates. You know the plasma membrane is made up of three components, that is lipids, proteins and carbohydrates. The basic structure of biological membranes is determined by the lipid bilayer, while their specific functions are carried out largely by proteins. They provide mechanical structure, transport molecules into and out of cells, serve as specific receptors, act as anchors for cytoskeletal components and for components of the matrix, and they serve as enzymes. That means these proteins काय काम करते? They provide mechanical support. म्हणजे सेलचं जो प्रोटेक्शन आहे किंवा कवरिंग आहे, दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेन. आणि काय काम करते? दॅट इज ट्रान्सपोर्ट ऑफ मॉलिक्युल्स इन अँड आउट, म्हणजे शेलच्या आतमध्ये जाण्यासाठी आणि बाहेर जाण्यासाठी सुद्धा ते मदत करतात. अँड ऑल्सो सर्व्स ॲज एन्झाईम्स. यू नो ऑल enzymes are proteins, but all proteins are not enzymes. ही जी enzymes आहेत ही सगळी proteins आहेत. The membrane proteins show asymmetrical arrangement so that the properties of the outer protein of the membrane are very different from those of the inner proteins. म्हणजे ही जी मेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन्स आहेत, असिमेट्री मीन्स त्यांची जी अरेंजमेंट आहे असं सिमेट्रिकल नाही आहे, सारखं नाही आहे, असिमेट्री. अँड दी प्रॉपर्टीज म्हणजे जी बाहेरची प्रोटीन्स आहेत आणि आतली जी प्रोटीन्स आहेत त्यांची वेगवेगळी प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत. दॅट इज दे परफॉर्म डिफरंट फंक्शन्स. So the membrane proteins can be divided into three groups. That means these can be differentiated into three types. One is peripheral, or it is also called as the extrinsic proteins, and second one is the integrant, or it is also called as intrinsic proteins, and third one is the lipid anchored proteins. So first we see about the peripheral or extrinsic proteins. So the name itself indicates that is these proteins are located on the outer side, that is of the lipid bilayer, that is on the extracellular as well as on cytoplasmic surface. They are associated with the membrane by weak electrostatic bonds, either to the hydrophilic head of the lipids. Hydrophilic means there are two types of polar ends. One is hydrophilic and second one is the hydrophobic. Hydrophilic means that is water loving, and hydrophobic means वॉटर हेटिंग, म्हणजे वॉटर जवळ जाणारे आणि वॉटरपासून लांब जाणारे. These peripheral proteins are soluble in aqueous solution and can be removed from the membrane by solutions of high ionic strength. The best studied peripheral proteins are spectrin and ankyrin. They form a fibrillar network on the inner surface to provide mechanical support. Once you see the structure, that is, these are the proteins and bilayer lipid. You see the peripheral proteins and these are the integral proteins. You see this structure also, that is, this one is the extracellular side and this one is the cytoplasmic side. That means this is outside of the plasma membrane and this one is the inner side which is located towards the cytoplasm. This is peripheral protein. Now second one is the integral or intrinsic proteins. They penetrate into the lipid bilayer. In fact, they pass entirely through the lipid bilayer and their domain protrude out on both the extracellular and intracellular sides of the membrane. Therefore, sometimes they are also called as the transmembrane proteins. Like phospholipids, they are also amphipathic, that is, having both hydrophilic and hydrophobic proteins. They are tightly bound to the lipid bilayer and cannot be easily dissociated. They also higher percentage of non-polar amino acids. You see this structure, that is integral proteins. These are embedded in the lipid bilayer. So these proteins cannot be separated easily कारण ह्या लिपिड बायलेअरमध्ये ही एम्बेडेड म्हणजे अडकून आहेत त्यामुळं सेपरेट करता येत नाही. नाउ थर्ड वन इज दी लिपिड एंकर्ड प्रोटीन्स. So they are located outside the lipid bilayer and are linked to a lipid molecule that is situated within the bilayer. Now the third component is the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are present only in the plasma membrane and no carbohydrate is located at the cytoplasmic or inner surface of the plasma membrane. म्हणजे ही फक्त त्या प्लाझ्मा मेम्ब्रेनमध्ये आहेत आणि सायटोप्लाझमिक सरफेसकडं नाही आहेत. Plasma membrane carbohydrates are in the form of glycoproteins and glycolipids. They are covalently linked to both lipid and protein components. The glycoproteins are present in the form of branched oligosaccharide chains with sialic acid terminals. These carbohydrate projections are thought to play a role in mediating the interactions of a cell with other cells as well as its non-living environment, that means the matrix. So that is all about the chemical composition of the plasma membrane, that is lipids, proteins and carbohydrates.